Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Face emoji are standardized pictographs that convey emotion and social tone. They help replace short sentences with visual cues and reduce confusion. Unicode assigns each face emoji a code point like U plus 1F600 for grinning face. That system ensures cross-platform compatibility most of the time. Different platforms render the same face emoji with slightly different art styles and skin tone options. Always preview your emoji on target devices when tone matters in messages or posts. Use smiling faces for warmth and clarity in casual messages and friendly chats. Sad or worried faces signal empathy and support during difficult conversations. Avoid ambiguous faces during professional or legal conversations to prevent misinterpretation and preserve formality. Sarcastic or winking faces can change literal meaning, so add clarifying text when needed. Combine emoji with short text to reinforce your intended tone and meaning for readers. When in doubt, pick a simple smiling face to stay neutral and positive. Access emoji on mobile via the dedicated keyboard or long press letters to reveal options. On desktop, use shortcuts like Windows key plus period or Mac OS Control Command space for quick insertion. Use skin tone modifiers and sequence combinations for diverse, specific faces and expressions. When composing social posts, test how emoji appear in preview to avoid layout shifts. Keep message length, platform limits, and audience expectations in mind when using multiple face emoji together. Practice concise combinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.